What's up, guys? William Ramsey here, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be covering the cryptocurrency Verge. Okay, I hear a lot of people talking about Verge by Verge, and it's time to make a video about it. Right? Let me know how you like the new intro I created this morning. Just comment down below your thoughts, and of course your thoughts over this video after you have finished watching it. But as always, let's look at the cryptocurrency market cap. It is at $750 million. I meant billion dollars. Sorry. Bitcoin dominance is at 34%, or basically about what yesterday was. Bitcoin price is back at 15,000. It's staying in the 14 to 16,000 range once again, as we've seen last week. It broke out last week to up to 17, but it moved back down. So we're probably going to see Bitcoin in this level, for a week or so again. Here's Ripple at the number 3 spot, as we seen yesterday. Not much movement. They're all about in the same place. And Verge is number 21 in the top 100 crypto coins out there. It's currently worth 21 cents on the dot, basically. There's 3 billion the market cap for Verge, and there's 836 million dollars in volume, and there is 14.5 billion Verge in circulation. We're up 18% growth, so Verge is doing pretty well for itself. We've seen a lot of these numbers turn around to the green. A few days ago we seen a lot of decline, and I think that's because these exchanges started opening back up again. Binance opened up, and I'm sure Bitrex is going to be opening up very soon, so keep in mind, and I would get in those ASAP so you don't have to wait again in case that whole exchange problem happens where they have to update the servers and customer service and everything. So if you're not on Binance, click the link down below. You can join. Hopefully it's still open when you click that link. Let's look what Verge is. I like doing some research on Verge, and I loaded this up before I started the video. What is Verge? Verge is a cryptocurrency that focuses on total anonymity and privacy for its users. So anonymous. It's an anonymous currency. Where Bitcoin succeeded in the mission of creating a decentralized cryptocurrency, Verge brings it further by making transactions completely anonymous. The currency is virtually untraceable, and the users of Verge can make instant anonymous transactions. So, I mean, this can be a very good coin. Apparently it's virtually untraceable, which is sort of cool. Untraceable transactions. That's pretty badass. Why not simply use a VPN? Well, VPN is the only encrypted part of the connection is from you to the VPN provider. Thus, the VPN requires trust that your provider does not disclose information. But VPNs can hide you, and they can't hide you. I mean, people can find ways to eventually find your actual location, even if you're on a VPN. Okay, I do CPA marketing. If you're on a VPN doing offers, they can literally track it down to your actual where you are. Like, even if you're on the VPN, they know that you're actually doing the offers yourself. Okay, there's ways to track, but a lot of people don't know how to do that. This is just CPA networks that I'm speaking about. How is Verge constructed? Verge currency is 100% open source project, and the community has full input and inclusion in any and all decisions made in regard to new feature implementations. So what makes Verge unique as a public blockchain, which allows to see coin distribution, number of users, and other statistics, anonymous. Verge transactions are fast thanks to 30-second blocks. Maximum supply is fixed and amounts to 16.5 billion coins. Verge did not have a pre-mine, nor it was an ICO, so it wasn't an ICO, just launched. And So Verge is pretty decent. I like the whole idea of an anonymous and privacy, which sort of brings that to the table. There's other coins out there like this, but Verge can clearly be one of the top coins in that focus of anonymous. So let's jump over to the trading view and look at the outlook. We're on the day chart. As you see, there's not much to look at. It starts here, and it hasn't been around too long. So let's dive into the 4-hour chart, and this is what we're seeing. We've seen that long start of just it growing, and it finally peaked off of halfway through December. And as we see, it's really in a sideways movement after that big jump. It's not moving much, but this can change very soon. And the reason is if we draw our trend lines here, as so, we'll see what's going on with this currency right now. So it seems to be following that trend decently well. And then we could also have a trend going this way with this coin, and we can shrink it down to match that trend line. And we're basically going to see it come in to this area right here, which I'm guessing. I think that will happen. Our all-time high levels are right here. So this is currently the zone for how high it went. That this is the zone. Let me make that a little bit brighter. Okay, and then the actual resistance level we see right here. Recently, right here is a strong resistance level, and we also have strong support right through here. This coin is. I personally, I think it's just going to come straight to our area right here. Let me change this like pink so it can line up. I think we're going to see it pinpoint to this area right here within the next few days. And the real question is, what's it going to do once it reaches this level? Are we going to see it go up to our zone, our all-time high zone, or are we going to see it come back down into our normal trading zone right through here, where we see a lot of movement? What is it going to do? That is the real question. I honestly think, by the way it's growing right now in this video, it can change in the next day. If you watch this video, it is the January 9th, Tuesday, 2018. So whenever you're watching this video, it may have changed, okay, within the next couple of days. So make sure you look at the charts and market cap, okay? But once it hits this area, I think we can see it finally come back up. Honestly, the worst case scenario, we'll see it drop back down, and I don't think it'll break this level. I think we'll see it, we'll be trading it through these levels here. I mean, we might be trading it through these levels, these two levels, but mainly this level here. So I will put a rectangle through here. This can be our possible trading areas in the next couple days to next week. Or if we do happen to see that break, let me delete that. If we do see the break up, I can see our new trading levels through here, and possibly we can see an all-time high broken and have a new one. Okay, we can see a new all-time high, probably to like this kind of height here, 2,600 Satashis. That's most likely how high it may go. I mean, it can go higher by the growth it's had already. That, I mean, I don't see it going any higher. It can, we don't know, okay? I mean, anything can happen, but that's my outlook on Verge, guys. There's not much going on this week, I don't think. I think we're gonna see it being traded between those two blue lines until it finally meets that middle part. It's been trading between these lines perfectly. I mean, we're seeing it follow back down. I think we're just going to see a bounce through here, bounce through here, and it's going to finally, you know, come to the point where it needs to pick what direction it's going. And honestly, by the growth we're having, I think it's going to shoot up to this zone, but I don't know. Don't go off of that. Don't go throwing all of your money into Verge saying, oh, it's going to go up. I don't know. This is just an analysis and my point of view on what Verge may do in the next week. Okay, so if I would just wait. I would wait to see where it's going at this point in time. Okay, so I would screenshot this chart, pause the video, screenshot it, sort of see and start looking at it in the next couple of days and see if it's following the chart. If anything major changes, I will make another video, but honestly, I see it, you know, going to our next trading zone above here, 1600 Satoshis. That would be a total of 24 cents for Verge. Okay, so 24 cents to like 30 cents trading wise. That's what I am guessing, but if not, we can see it being traded once again through this yellow zone down below. And yeah, the reason I say I want to get in Verge now is because these zones are so close. There's no point in trading it. Okay, there really isn't. And that's all there is to Verge. Okay, it's really just the waiting game now. So just stay updated with me. Subscribe so you can see other updates in the future off Verge, Tron, major cryptocurrencies. I usually do coins in the coin market cap. It can be literally any of the 100. Sometimes it'll be the top ones. Sometimes it'll be, you know, smaller ones that I think might blow up. It just depends on what I think, what I do research on, etc. Okay, so please subscribe, like this video, comment down below your thoughts. What do you think Verge is doing? It's literally just overall. Let me just take a giant rectangle and change the color to like blue and mark it up. This is what it's staying between these levels. That's all I'm seeing right now. It's not worth being in at the moment. I don't see being in it until once again it passes this pink vertical line here. Once we see an actual direction, an actual push towards the upside or the downside, that's when we can make the decision on Verge. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about Funfair. I think that's what I'm going to be going over. I had a request to do Funfair, and I honestly don't know much about it. So today I'm going to do some research, do some chart analysis, see what I think is best, and then I'll make that video tomorrow. So I hope to see you guys soon. Please subscribe, please. If you're in the crypto industry, I do daily videos. Okay, so you can always come back to this channel and look for more content to see. And you know, I love seeing the fans that actually are real subscribers, like hearing from me, like hearing my thoughts. Okay, those are the kind of people I like to connect with. There's some people that think they know every single thing about every possible coin, and that's not possible. You can't know everything about crypto. Crypto is growing every day. There's new coins that can just explode out of nowhere. Okay, no one knows everything. You have to follow. I just don't go off what I say. I follow other big people as well. Okay, so you can follow other channels like mine.